Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Nubia Neo 2 and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find System and Update. Then let's tap on Reset Options and tap on Reset Network Settings, so this is the option I'm looking for. Let's tap on it. Here your device is informing you that it will reset all network preferences, including Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth. So let's tap on Reset Settings. If you're ready, you have to confirm it with your screen lock and be aware that you cannot undo this action. So let's tap on Reset Settings if you're ready. And as you can see, we've got this information, which means that we just successfully reset all network preferences. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.